Hello there, and welcome to our series of help videos. Today, we will be showing you how to make purchases using our group purchase system. The group purchase system allows you to buy and manage training vouchers for multiple employees. A voucher is a code that can be redeemed for a prepaid training course. You can redeem the code yourself or send it to an employee. When you buy vouchers, you have complete control over who you give them to. You can also see when they're redeemed. When an employee passes their course, you can even access their official certificate. To get started, go to our homepage at statefoodsafety.com and scroll down to the other purchasing options. Look for the Buy Training in Bulk option and click here. You are now on the group purchase page. Let's take a look at how to make a group purchase. First, select the course type that you'd like to purchase in bulk. Click on the drop-down box and select the course type you need from the list. We're going to click Food Handler. Next, select the location you need the trainings for. We'll choose California. For some locations, you may need to specify which county you work in. If you don't see your county in the list, just click here. Once you select your location, our system will automatically fill in the name of the product you need and its price. The last step is to select the number of training vouchers that you need to purchase. Go to the Quantity column and click in the box to type in the number of trainings you need. If you want to purchase multiple types of training, click this button to add another course type. Repeat the previous steps to select the correct course and quantity that you need. To finish making your group purchase, click the Checkout button. That will bring us to the registration and purchasing process. Follow the instructions to complete your purchase. If you don't yet have a State Food Safety account, you will be prompted to create one. After you've completed the purchase, your training vouchers will be automatically added to your account. If you want to get started managing your vouchers right away, you can click here to go to your account. Or if you're not ready to start right away, you can return to our website at any time and log in using the Login button in the corner. Your vouchers will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching our tutorial about making group purchases. If you have any questions about or issues with our group purchase system, please feel free to contact us. For information on how to see and manage your vouchers, please click the link.